Yeah, hi, my next project for Madras Bazaar is going to be with these jute sheets, and I'm going to use a glass bottle which has already been primed with gesso. Now I'm going to apply another layer of chalk paint. So when you're applying this chalk paint, it's better if it's very rugged. You need not paint it with the brush like this. Rather, you can just take it, use a sponge and dab it nicely. So it's more like a mustard or a light yellow color. You can use a palette also for this. Can you see? This is painted completely. A little bit I have left there. I could do it with the final touches. So you just need a basic outline of the basic coloring of mustard. Chalk paint takes very less time to dry, so just leave it for about 10-15 minutes and then we can work on it. So now when the bottle is getting dried up, I'm going to make petals like this with the jute sheet. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So first fold it like this and like this, make a triangle. Once this is done, take the scissors and cut it. Don't bother about the ragged edges, we can sort that out. So once we get this, it's almost like a square, but don't bother, we can make a petal out of this. First, take the lighter and just run it around the corners. Better. So you can see it's tightly sealed. Okay, we are going to do the same thing for all the petals, and I'm going to make flowers from this color jute sheet also. Meanwhile, also we'll be making the center pollen piece. Can you see this piece? So I'm going to teach you how to make this. So take a paper like this. You can make sorry, let's just come here. You can do this. Take a paper like this and nicely give fringes. Take a toothpick and roll it. And slowly roll it. It's okay, it is not meant to be very organized. Nicely roll it, take it out, and you can apply a little glue. One second. So apply a little glue and lock it. But you can see this portion is a little too much, so you can just cut this off from the top. You can nicely spread it out. Okay, do you see? Yeah. So now this bottle is painted and ready. Now we are going to attach these flowers and decorate this piece. Okay, so I'm just heating the hot glue gun and So I have attached a flower here. I'm going to attach the central piece. Now we're going to continue attaching these flowers. So we are done with the flowers. Now we are going to give a second coat of the paint. When it is a little wet, what I'm going to do is take this and just dab it, just to bring out a very rustic look. Okay. So once the painting is done, I have highlighted the flowers. I'm going to show you in close up later, but now I'm going to add a little bit of these embellishments. This is nothing but the ball chain. So I have finished doing these embellishments. Now I have painted it completely in this mustard or light yellow, and I have added a little bit of touch up for the green and the purple or magenta jute sheet. So let me show you a better image. So I will be, once it dries, I will be applying a layer of varnish. So this is the layer of varnish that I am applying. Okay, so that's about it. It looks pretty, isn't it? Okay, thanks for watching, and thank you Manisha for this opportunity.